So, part two of these questions regarding your strategic plan is you need to look at your team. Who grew the most this year? And most importantly, what systems were put in place in order for them to achieve that success? Because growth usually isn't random, it's based on structure, coaching, clarity, and actually repeatable habits that you create on a daily basis, if not weekly. So, here's another big question that maybe will stand out. Where are you going to stand out locally? In this crowded market, there's a lot of noise, right? There's some really, really good real estate agents out there. That isn't going to be enough. So, what's going to make the difference with you this year? Is it your niche? Are you staying in the lane that you chose to actually compete in? What's your service style? What's your marketing style? How do you negotiate? What's your true expertise? And what's your calm in the middle of a storm? Think about that. Are we actually creating that environment to actually help our clients when there's some chaos going on? So people hire you for a reason. So ask yourself this. Why do clients hire me? Are they hiring me for my pricing strategy, access, protection, communication, my confidence? And again, kind of going through, can I help them through a stressful situation? I think those were some importance that we need to ask ourselves. And clarity. Can you, in a market, make it better, lead it better? So let's go down a little bit deeper on that. What is your client expertise? And let's break it down. Again, is it the communication that you create? Is it the preparation that you have? Is it the timeliness? Do you have too many surprises? I know a lot of people don't like those. And what's your lack of follow through? Is there a gap there in terms of your follow through? So ask yourself that question. Again, this is the whole honest thing. And ask yourself individually. No one's going to share. No one's going to judge you. This is something that you're going to create for yourself. Because a lot of our business, we lose momentum because we lack the talent. And that's one of the smartest things you can ask is this. What are 3 upgrades that you can do to improve your business right now? So ask yourself, is it the way you onboard people? Is it better updates? What about your vendor bench? Who are your partners that you're partnering with? Is that need to be upgraded? And maybe your clarity about your roles and expectations about the people that you work with and who you partner with. You don't need to fix everything at once. Just identify the upgrades and the biggest improvement that can improve your business.